Here is another model of railway crossing project, unmanned railway crossing from Jai Gurudev Electronics. Here is a kit setup. This is not a whole project, it is a ready to use kit. Let us see components first. Here we have a logical circuitry, indicator for vehicles passing from the crossings, side 1, same is side 2. Here are motor actuators. This is 300 rpm motor with plastic gearbox. This is the same plastic gearbox motor with 300 rpm. Here is a sensor which is infrared proximity detector, which is made by IR transmitter and receiver circuitry and operational amplifier or a comparator. The same sensor here, you can see how it works. When an object comes across the IR transmitter and receiver sensors, it blinks a LED and send a data or a object detection signal to the microcontroller, which is available here. So let us see it. You see the LED is blinking, that it is indicating that train is coming on the track. Okay, let us see the logical circuit. Here this is a microcontroller 8089S502, which is from 8051 microcontroller family. The another chip is L293D. I repeat, L293D. It is a dual edge bridge motor driver. Here this is a buzzer. These are registers, connecting socket for motor and logical switches. Power supply connector, voltage regulator, filter capacitor to filter power supply, crystal oscillator to make a clock frequency for this microcontroller. It is called MCU in short form. These are the non-polar capacitors as a resonant filter. These are LEDs. This one is red and the another is green. Let us see. So, the sensor here also works like the another sensor. You can see a purple light coming out of from this LED. This is infrared transmitter and another two LEDs are infrared receiver. When an object or a train come across it or passes from this sensor, the LED blinks here, which is red, and parallelly data sends to the microcontroller that train is arrived on the track at this particular area. Let us see how it works. See what happened. Let us see the whole demo. These two are railway crossing demonstration board. When no train is passing from this junction or this area of railway crossing, the gates are open. You can see the gates are open. The green LED for vehicles are light up. Let us see what happens where if the train comes across this line. See, the LEDs goes red and the crossing is closed. What happens if another wagons are passing from here? See, nothing is happening. If the train crosses this railway crossing and passes through, so the whole train must be go through from this area. After that the crossing will be opened. It is detected that train is detected here, but it is passing now. It is not over. The train is still passing through the sensor. If the passing is over from the crossing area, the crossing will be opened and the green LED will be light up. Let us see. See, here you are. If the train comes across this area, not pass from here, comes to this area, crossing will be closed. Train is going from here, then train goes from here. Here the train detected. The train is detected here, but the crossing is not opening. It will open after the train passes from here. Let us see. See? Okay. You can also watch the LEDs. Let us see another demo. Here we are. So, the whole project is made by science fair student team for science fair presentation. The technical guidance is provided and hardware working is provided by Jai Gurudev Electronics. You can see other projects and videos on www.123projects.in. Thanks for watching. If you like the project, please subscribe or hit a like. Goodbye.